Hi everyone, last 2 days, so then Friday I did floor preparation in apartment building. There was carpet, and when I remove carpet, it was not so good subfloor, it's sloping down. It was usual situation for apartment buildings. From the balcony to the hallway was approximately 3/4 inch sloping. So, and in hallway in existing floor, so I can't do level. I have to make flattening. For this project I use Mapei Novoplan SP. In the store, guys recommend me to start using this material because it's similar with Mapei Novoplan 2 Plus, and I am a little scared, but when I take it and start working with, it's really good material. So you see, Novoplan SP and Novoplan 2 Plus, the same waiting time. For it, gray it's for tiles and yellow for hardwood flooring. So also compression stage almost the same. Novoplan 2 Plus little bit stronger, but it's good. And depths, what you can level in one shot, it's 1 each for all material, for NSP, for Novoplan 2 Plus, and for Novoplan Easy Plus. So it means material the same. You see, we have to add 5.2 liters to 5.5 quarters. It's okay, 5.2 liters to 1 bag. We will follow instruction. So we have here is gradation. You see 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should be somewhere here. Now a little bit more than 5 liters. So like they say on the back, 5.2, 5.5, 5.5, I mean. So, and now mix it. You see, this is Novoplan SP. We will see how it's mixed with this volume of water. Don't forget, put in the bucket water first, then mixer, and after you have to put self-leveling compound and mix it. If you put, for example, self-leveling compound and then water, it's not mixable. Remember it. See, still need to mix it. Some dry part is right here. Very good condition. So now I'm going to spread it. Not too much space to make a nice video, but I will Sounds nice. Very good material. I didn't know about it. It's cost cheaper than Novoplan 2, but really good. Really good. So you see here the corner, we need to do it nice. So first of all, okay, now fine. Now what I can say about this material, you know what my feeling, like I work with Mapei Novoplan 2 Plus. Very good. What you see, this is sloping, it's stable, it's not a leak down. I especially check how long it takes before it start this material settle, I mean getting solid. So it's around 1 hour. So no, it's really good for work, you know, if you just doing some DO project, or you're doing, you know, any professional doing big area. So you see 1 hour, it's really good. Also price, it's cheaper than Mapei Novoplan 2 Plus. So definitely I will switch from what I did last year, Mapei 1, and before I used Mapei Novoplan 2. Now I wanna switch to this material. I have on my channel so many questions about working time, how long this material can dry. You know, this is maybe for you a good example. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.